Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video will be very special for you as many of the candidates are thinking to apply for the international hiring. So in this video, I will be explaining about the off-campus international hiring. These are direct hirings from the FANG companies. So you all know about the FANG companies. So they are hiring for their international hiring. So let's see details about the hirings. First international hiring is from Amazon, where they are hiring intern for network engineer role for Dublin location. Talking about who are eligible to apply, then the candidates who are having bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or related branch and are graduating in 2025, they can apply for this internship. With this, you should be having knowledge in any programming language with a network fundamentals, as they are hiring for their network engineer role. So you should be having knowledge in network fundamentals. Second hiring is from Uber, where they are hiring intern for software engineer profile for Dublin location. So the candidates who are currently pursuing their bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or related field can apply for this internship. So currently you should be enrolled in your third or fourth year in your degree. With this, you should be having exposure in hackathons, coding challenges, any university projects or any internships if you have done. Third hiring is from Apple, where they are hiring for their reliability engineering intern for Shanghai location. So this job was posted on 9 February 2024. So the candidates having bachelor's, master's or PhD degree in computer science or mechanical engineering domain can apply for this hiring, where you should be proficient in any of the programming language with a basic understanding in image processing concepts. Fourth hiring is from MasterCard, where they are hiring for the Belgium location. This is a full-time opportunity where the candidates who are currently in their final year of master's or undergraduate, they can apply for this hiring. With this, you should be having a strong command in English and problem solving skills. Fifth hiring is from Intuit, where they are hiring for their software developer role for Canada location, where you should be enrolled or have recently completed your computer science engineering with a knowledge in backend API and UI UX development. Final hiring is from Meta, where they are hiring for their software engineer role. So talking about who are eligible to apply, then you should be currently enrolled in a degree with computer science or electrical engineering department. And as they are hiring for the machine learning domain, then you should be familiar in machine learning concepts, computer vision and image processing. So these were the 6 hiring updates. All the hirings are for freshers and all the hirings are for abroad. So I hope you liked the video, and if you find your suitable role and skill set, then you must apply for these jobs and also share with your friends those who are in search of abroad off-campus opportunities. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. And if you want me to bring any specific job updates, then also comment down below. So I will meet you in the next upcoming job update. Till then, thank you.